Like say, this is not your boy, but the guy. Which guy? Who is this guy? This is the guy, Upuren. Welcome to his YouTube channel, Joe. I've decided to vlog because tomorrow is my birthday and I would like to document these moments, these few because I think it's something that I wanted all the year by except because I've been depressed the past years, to a point where I would feel like say I no, I indimanga zibe so now ndizohlamba ndiphangele then ndikutaspa uthi kum, boy, pull up, I'm gonna cook you a delicious meal for your birthday. Uthola kanjani? So masiva nje vaya nami. Ndizohamba andihamba nokhwela itaxi or I'll take a bus, but I'm going to Langa, so I'm trying to get there before 9 o'clock and now it's 7:35 now. I don't know, I need to weigh my options between taxi and the bus because I don't have a car. The Ubers azingeni up, so yeah. Yo, I'm Philip Joe, and I ain't gonna lie, don't need to lie. I could safely way, bo. I got a turn. Got a nine. Take a road anytime and also. So I'll see you guys at a safer space. Ehlike etaxini ngoku ehlika bezirobhotsini into enzikayo beningazi kwehlika apha but abazi nisho if udriver uyangena kwalanga okanye akangeni, so uthi yena uyasabela ceba uve ngathi kuyathetha, so ngiqonda okay no man andisese ngisithi ndibambe lapha because in the early so I can walk, it's fine, akho ghost. This is my first time vlogging this much, especially for YouTube, but yeah, I'm in the corners of Ulagu. Yeah. Yo, so I'm down here. Boy, you cringe. I don't know if guys you know this. This is Ulang. This is the other side of Ulang. I'm saying the same thing. Once, twice, man. But yeah, looking, I'm used. It is walking. Ding. Sorry. Put a rain fall. I don't know if you guys know that guy who says rainfall in Durban, rainfall in Langa, Joe. I say go in Durban, you are Langa. And think about the situation. Abantu ba-curious and ba-check now. Say uzithe, itheni uzithe. A vlogger. Uthini lo? Uhambela ikhamera. And no, it's just me. Content creator Makaba. Such one evening and Paramisa. 2 years ago when I come up in Ngcobo. I think niggas is a Pegelisa. I wanna go. Suppose I think 16 too much for random voice. So it is a rule. Then we want to get video when you have. It's just me. Also, says one paving. So we win, the guy. Okay. Whoa. This is the part of the vlog where I decide to speak English because I'm trying to accommodate everyone, not just closer speaking people only. Do you get what I'm saying? So now, if you know Langa, you know. If you don't, then I'm your tour guide. So this is, I don't know the name of the street, but there is Boxer. I'm approaching Boxer. Then that people say hi to you, vlog jam. Moms?
Wow.
All the moms.
Good morning, neighbors. How are you, neighbors?
Fine.
Ice cream cake.
I do. Dinner. Suka.
Yeah, man, it's a ice cream date.
Kuphela i-dates nalento ucinga ice cream kubanda.
Uyayifuna okanye ayifuni? Uyayifuna. Ice cream
Choose your friends wisely.
Oh, every Saturday.
Choose your friends wisely.
I feel like we are users.
Can choose your friends wisely. No. Uphatshele mina nyani? I need. Yeah? You feel like? What you user?
Choose friends wisely. You learn I bring her to the table. Are you going?
Masika down. Asika masika jina hivyo. Hivyo. 24 August.
What? So wow! Shooting the eye, turning the nice school and I'm trying to get yeah, my friend. I shake card young was not seen but I'm not school.
You walk about legal life and so on. Mariam shake card. It's okay if you lose. Wow. I couldn't like a lot of running, you know, and then like and desires to be honest. It down to wings. They're going to get if you want to. Yeah, we are stand about.
Take it easy, dog.
Yes, it is.
Before his session in Kali, I have to take equipment. Como não é, mas...
Só perdi tudo. Ai, pá.
O grelho do cor. Grelho, vai vir que você...
Que classe de vídeo, moço? Grade 8 zanu libalo bani nanzela magama nje kaloku kuthiwa ngabhala amagama semigruphini uyachazidamba obethelini 12 iyawubhora laseshini iyawubhora ngelishwa ufuna uke 12 ntasi ufuna uke 12 ndicinga ufuna uke 11 yazi ndiyakuthobisela sorry yabantwana no hayi sana ngicela ngithengile i-iphone xa ndine-chance hayi kodwa sihle isky namhlanje wandithengela ne please hayi ezanto zahlala phantsi kodwa kho amaphepha mntakabawo umntu uyabonakala umntu olele ebhedini emhagayo uyabonakala khesekile waye amaphepha abantwana besekhaya
ekapa zange ndafumana itshantsi uba ucule ndibasendlela ezilalini
Psycho, I see you. Missing over high, the come and over town. I miss it color high, like we sexing the high. I miss it color high, I can't stand the high. I miss it color high, I miss it color. I miss it color high, the come and let dollar side. I miss it over high, like we sexing the high. I miss it over high, I can't.
Agora vou seja comigo. Vai te mudar a metade. Eles ficam lá.
Aí vai te usar o que é Mas eu tive uma primeira foi nem ali vai fonte nem registra.
Nada.
Nem se te cai de bilhete.
Bom, cima. Por exemplo. Tudo mais de nada.
Kalau banjir realmente é maneiro.
Guys, choose a friends, right? There's one clip.
Não faz isso.
Você vai me ter mais, você não faz isso. Oh? Okay, oh, wait. Serious. You're always beautiful.
I was to forget. There's a boy.
German, you're clever.
No, really. You are quite power.
I'm down, I mean, only young great love to you.
You didn't know me, so soon as I was a little thing.
I'm a man. Anokwazi. Anokwazi ngento sitya.
Khathikele lo ninayo. Kodwa nje ngeke ngibani.
No. Uke perfect. Zimbe zinje.
Why?
Because I like it.
Man, I'm never a child with promise. Yeah. Baby, I'm sorry. You know,
You like depression high school.
yeah.
I think that. You like depression.
I think when I'm military, you take life school, also life serious, or you take life serious.
Right, you should serious.
Depending on the depression. Overthinking.
Yeah, because you can figure it out for the woods.
But
Yeah, but you don't know what to say. Like,
you know, are you scared to fail?
yeah.
Yeah, that is right.
And I'm from one favorite region. I'm from one favorite region of Jojo. Faith. That is what you know. When you have these sessions, especially when I'm going to space.
How is it?
Then I have many sessions. I won't get into another session. How I think I could have visit social work. I don't know therapy. Why is taking therapy session?
Oh, look at you.
You're not there. I think young or expressive. Serious, because I can't.
What's wrong? I don't know.
I guess, yeah. It was very good.
I have a problem. I'm scared to
Yeah,
fail.
but not very thing and pay the most. It's very true. My friend is I think.
Zamukhaya.
Because the session is
Nayi
I too, but
na ile nami ndinazo zami but ndezazi phelele andize because azange ndabhilive into yoba nibe ndihambe ndiyoconsulta
no matter number days ago.
ukubani wakuthi bana yaba
I never got only that was a joke just my man. Yo, that joke just I did not fail. Then and yeah, I was just physical.
the right thing.
No, by mistake. On I join. Because we all lady. This is why ending. One
In
woman.
terms of
And two of They're going to try.
we are giving go upstairs to your room and I fuck him out. Serious
I think she wishes like
whatever uchinjile maluo.
there was a channel on
So that means don't you think umzekelo xa sowuphangela and emsebenzini ka-toxic obvious do you think ungakwazi to overcome that le nto yakho because
times siyathetha ndingayenzi le nto le nto nje
stranger apha okanye usibe group of strangers that ongabaqhelanga obvious
ndizawuthula balokuthula kwam akunofana nakunye times that literal ndandithula
utya ithini yakho usityali ngehlobo etyiwa ngayo
ndandikhamisa qha ndandingatheki thambi ndiyayixelela
endibabasabe
ndandibalo ndixelele phantsi ndiphendle ekuzwa kuqala babede boyika undithethisa because thinja uba wathini amandiyazi ake amadimonians man
mnandi nyansho
njengolisa njengosoteksi let's say umntu wakho niphendela lokugqibela
yo
unayira nawo cela umve nerandi kuwe akunikwe nerandi ukuze ungasokoli uba vele ubhatala 90 rand straight kuba uzonqena wena
intoni ngiyayibumbilela kopoti nenzalo
ukhona
ndiyothi bebe kulo muntu wenza hayi
kuhlalela xa ufike sekunjalo ungaphumi njalo yabona masibayise
okay ba ungene right but ke ngoku uyayazi ubomi bakunjani utshintshe endleleni
uphakathi hayi kalo ungahlala na ungeni ubona uba uyahlutsheba expecteni
ngathi mani ngazothi siyaphangela nokanye siyajola
Yeah. Pants are 39. Pants are 39. Pants are 39.
But kaloku hayibo uyabona uba kuyasokola azizuba kwi-dates azizuba kwisitontoni uzohehwa ngomntu onemali lente ube wena uzazi entliziyweni yakho uyayithanda imali so uzawuleqa lo ake ukushiye lo esifani uyazazi nokutheni uthanda imali entliziyweni yakho okanye uyathanda ukhusa ayo umntu ongathanda imali ndiyayithanda ayekho umntu ongayithanda nami ndiyayithanda
amadoda ongaphangelelani uyazikalela uyaphangela
uphangelelani
andiphangele volontiya apha usef z
yimakalo xa sephangele uphangelelani
catching strays zanolwam
like uba ndibene into esiswini kwazi ubeka ukutya phezu kwetafeni
ayekho uthanda imali ke uke
ayizwakho mntu ongayithanda imali ndishuthi ke ngoku kadala futhi ndisitya ulibele wena
into esilayisana ndisonankutya
gqiba inyama ke
hayi inyama
kumele ube ndisiya ngecephe bra
enza kanga ngibamba
andikoyike mama
ayaroyiki nyani
hayi andikoyike
andiyani ukukhule ubethwa ngamaninzi
Bengabethwa
uziphi
ekhaya
bebisoloko uredi nje for ukuba
not that sana
kumele ndidoze ziyajimisa
andikho
zikhamona ayiboni uyamoyikisa ejim lo mntu awuparticipate
akalile zansi ngiyaziphakamisa
andiminyani
ndiyeni ayisongenza umntu wrong
xa izembe ke bagqi yemekazi
hayi angakulinga usigezele
andingamphakamisa yena
ayibuphambili
ngathubana ndifake umoya
ungxwayo ziyapha emagxeni
yemoyiki
ngamaphakamisa ndibeke emagxeni
yemoyikani cela mcika amaphilisi
hayi mandibona
akumani kanti phela ipila asho
nimele nansi ke khona lophuliweyo umphulile ntoni makhulu akho wo ngofika isiza kakhile uyambetha kubethe njalo njalo but xa sifika apha kumnozimu kuyaphila
ezistyle nonjelekisa
hayi bo zawubona lapho isikolo awoyiki nto usavaleleni ithethwayo ke ngoku
uyabona umuntu after school
hayi after school novala izikolo
xa kuvala izikolo balozizwelana nathamzi
uvala ngawo
angayipheli ithemba angapheli extendwe boxolisa nangozazi bolegwayo
siphumile embangelweni siyaphi
ndiyazi ukuthi siyaphi
sezone 1 ukhala umculo
Phakamisiqolo high nakwi-6 high phakamisiqolo high thayi kanza ndibe high phakamisiqolo high phakamisiqolo high ndiqhoma nale dollar sign phakamisiqolo high nakwi-6 high phakamisiqolo high thayi kanza ndibe high
ingaphephe nje so ithi into siyavana taspa seShoprite taspa
Too much, man. It's too much.
Shopper
Eh? Take a lemon twist. For the shot.
taspa masi vlogger.
Okay, it's fine.
Is it really fine?
It's fine.
Yeah, yo. Siya Shoprite.
Siyabi?
Shoprite.
A shop, a right, okay, a shop right.
Singanqumla.
I don't know.
Basamba hapa ngalizo bani.
You the coordinator.
Ngalizo bani.
You the coquela. So, Siyabi?
Shoprite.
Okay.
Shoprite too.
So, tell utwala gents.
And bisela utwala by the way machida. Ningacinga ifani ba.
Not yena, from accomplice yami.
Ngololive.
I'm saying nyani nyanisile.
manje.
Tell them one thing about life. You see, in life, you don't have to spend money to have money.
You! That's a bar.
But that's why i-social anxiety inawe awunayongo wena. Hayi. Hayi bo.
Good money.
Hayi bo, that's why. Hayi.
I don't buy with that account.
That's why. That's why. Awuvelanga bo. That's why. Don't bring it up to the chong. Why?
My nigga, I love you too.
Yo, me to take, you know, myself that's
Can you cross?
Oh, that's bad.
You cross.
Yo,
I see you, my nigga. I see you too. 3, 4. I see you all, niggas. I love you too.
social anxiety, that's why I
You're
got
scared, my nigga. You're supposed to say something.
I'm not scared, but it depends how I'm.
Not you, him.
Oh, I boo.
What am I saying, God? Why they call this thing a man?
Yo, abuna ndanga utshani. Langa high.
Recycle, niggas. You don't just throw anything. You put in the bag. You throw everything when you have home. Learn something new from me. This
Yes.
guy who's a clever. This guy doesn't have a filter. Even if you can filter this guy on iPhone, it's unfilterable. He's supposed to carry us. Our weight, we're supposed to walk.
Excessive picture just far up.
No.
That's why he's saying the earth is not round.
It's not round.
Why are you saying so?
Because if you walk a straight line, you walk a straight line daily basis.
Huh?
Daily basis, you are walking straight line. Have you ever camped?
That's far. I don't
Have you ever camped in your life when you're walking? Like in a straight line. In a straight line, like, okay, let's look at this figure. This straight line. Before we walk, let's look at this straight line. We walk into that straight line.
Sure.
You see the mountains going up.
Sure.
When you're going up on the mountain, you go down. But if the earth is
When you're going up,
in the mountain,
that's what Masambe.
when you're going in the mountain, you go up and then you go down.
Hey, bro.
Yeah.
That's far.
Yo, this guy,
The earth is round.
he's never been. Pilots have been saying it daily basis. They've never camped.
Pilots.
Yeah. People who are traveling in the air.
Pilots.
We are walking barefoot us.
Pilots.
As me and you are walking barefoot.
Pilots.
Me, two, how many? 4 feet now. We are walking 4 feet.